Welcome back guys to yet another cooking video. In this video I will be sharing my recipe of these delicious chicken drumsticks. I used my own marination for this chicken recipe. They turned out really nice texture, nice taste, and here's a proof. Let's get this started. I'm using 8 chicken drumsticks for this recipe. I washed them thoroughly, put some deep cuts in the middle. So let's make some marination. A couple of spoons of natural yogurt. Be sure to use a decent sized bowl. I've added some ginger paste, garlic paste mixture, about half a teaspoon. I don't use any chili powder, I've just used paprika. So just half a spoon of paprika. Half a spoon of salt goes in this marination. Half a spoon of cumin seed powder. Half a spoon of coriander powder. Add some ground black pepper just to taste. A bit of turmeric. Add a bit of chili flakes. And squeeze half a lemon. Just make sure you extract all the juice. Once you've added all the ingredients, just make sure you mix all the ingredients really well. Guys, I forgot to mention I added a couple of teaspoons of olive oil. Once you've mixed it really well, you're happy with the marination, add your chicken drumsticks into the marination. If you grab yourself a bigger size bowl, it'll ensure that you've got plenty of space in there, just to make sure that chicken drumsticks mix really well into the marination. I'm just trying to get the marination right into the cuts there, just to make sure all my chicken drumsticks are covered really well into the marination. Once you've marinated your chicken drumsticks, put them to one side. I've wrapped them with some cling film, put them in the fridge for about half an hour. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'd appreciate that. You can also add some vegetables if you want. So I am just adding some carrots, half a bell pepper. Just cut them into nice pieces. You can put them into the same tray. I'll be using air fryer for my chicken drumsticks. So grab yourself some vegetables if you want. Cut them in nice big pieces. And like I said, they can be added into the same air fryer. So I am setting my air fryer now. I reviewed this air fryer recently. You can go back to my YouTube channel to watch that review. So I've set the air fryer setting to 200 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. Lay down your chicken drumsticks nicely in there evenly, just to make sure they all get cooked at the same time. Again, I'm using 8 chicken drumsticks, laying them there nicely, just to make sure they all get nice heat. And just making sure that I'm not putting them right on top of each other. Add some vegetables on top. The only bit of advice that I can give you is, if you are adding vegetable into the same drawer, add the vegetables first and then chicken on top. They'll be done really nicely. Set my air fryer, like I said, 200 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. That should be plenty of time for these chicken drumsticks. After 15 minutes, I've had a quick look. They were coming on really nicely. Restart the air fryer and they are up and running again. After 30 minutes, voila! Look at those. They have a beautiful texture and you can tell they're all done evenly, nicely. I've also put some potato wedges into the dough number 2, and obviously they are all done as well. One thing I'd definitely recommend is, once you've taken your drumsticks out of air fryer, put them in foil for about 5 minutes, just to let them rest, just to make sure they get some extra flavor in. So I put them away for about 5-10 minutes, open them up, they're still nice and hot. Don't they look absolutely delicious? It's time to serve your chicken drumsticks. So I am serving them with potato wedges, some salad and some vegetables. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, can you please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. This will definitely encourage me to keep making and sharing these great tasting cooking videos with yourself. What I will do now, I'll have a little bite just to make sure everything is as it should be. So I've grabbed myself a chicken drumstick, took a nice little bite. It is so succulent, full of flavors, full of great taste. I can taste a bit of lemon in there, all the spices that I've added, and it all looks great. Thank you very much guys once again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.